Today we are going to learn how to log into the new Aquaphoenix ordering system called eKraken. The website is www.ekrakensupply.com. Note there's no C in Kraken. Here's what the new website looks like. It's very easy to use. In this search bar, if you want to see everything available to order, you can just click in there and hit enter. Everything that comes up is what's available to you at this point in time. Now, you can scroll through looking at it like this, or on the left there, you will see it says filter by. You can use these click buttons if you'd like, or you can just go up here and search for something. So here's a common item that you'll order, dip slides. You can see there's two types available, really. The one that you use are the bacteria kit dip slides. So let's say I want to add one of those to order. You can add to cart. Notice it went up here into the cart. And if you see there were some other things I already had in the cart, I'm going to delete. See how simple that was? But this item right here is the one I just added, which is the bacteria kit dip slide. Now, if I want to edit the quantity, I can do one of two things. I can edit it here and change the quantity. Let's say I want 3. I'm going to add to cart. Notice the quantity change. I now have 3. Or I can go back to searching again. Say I'm here again. I search for dip slides. I can add another one just by saying add to cart. So now I have 4. Again, this is very simple. You want to add more stuff, you can go back over here and let's look for IRB. I'm going to order one of these, add it to the cart. Okay, let's say I have everything I want. Now remember, I want you all to order things in as bulk of an order as you can. Please try to avoid ordering just a few items at a time. So you should be thinking about ordering for 3 months at a time at the smallest amount. Some of you order 6 months, which is great, but I know that's hard to do, so 3 months is a good target. So view cart and check out. Okay, everything looks good. I can change my quantities, delete if I want to. I'm done, so I'm going to proceed to check out. Now, for the first time that you use this, you're going to have to add a new address. When you click add new address, it just brings up the basic information. You're going to put your address information in here. If you see, though, we have one here that I've already added. Vince Reser, Chardon Labs, 9300. So we're going to ship to there. You click the next step. You're not going to use carrier account. That's if you use it like our assigned shipping account. You don't need to do that. You're actually going to select a method for shipping, which we typically use UPS, so you can just select UPS ground. Next step. PO number, you don't need that. You're just going to do invoice with the corporate term, which is, what is our standard invoicing process. Under order processing notes, do not add any type of other items that are not on this website. Like say something wasn't there and you wanted to order a different type of test kit. Don't put it here. You won't get it. If something is missing from the website, you need to contact me because one of two things are going to happen. One, I'm either just going to order it for you because we don't want it on the website, or two, we will add it to the website so it becomes a commonly ordered item. One other thing to note is that if a customer, let's go back to delivery method. Let's say you want to send this to a customer. You can actually go ahead and order customer items on here only if they are not billable. If they're billable items, you need to send those to me. If they're just contract items, you can order them on here and add the customer address here. So like Fibertech, Attention John Doe, 123 Main Street, somewhere Kentucky. I don't know the zip for Kentucky. And then you're going to have to put in some phone number. Now you can either put in your phone number or their phone number, whichever you want. So I'll put in the company phone number. Okay, so I've added an address, and that's where it's going to go. Alright, and then select your method again. I'm going to go to next step. Now I'm not going to place this order because obviously I just made up my shipping address and I don't want to do that. But once you're ready to actually place it and you've reviewed everything, you can place order. Or you can go back and adjust things. So basically that is all there is to it. Again, if you do not find something you need on here, let me know and we can determine if it needs to be added or if we're just going to order it one time for you. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.